Today I'm going to be reviewing ansjdh Dog Corrector Spray. This is the 2-pack. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I want to be very clear, when you're using stuff like this, be very careful. If you have an anxious dog, it's probably not going to work, and they suggest you don't use it for that. And also, this is not good for puppies. Let me show you what the can looks like. I do have an anxious dog, so I'm not going to be able to use it on her. This is 80 grams per each can. What you want to be very careful when using this is to spray away from you and the dog. It's not something you spray onto the dog, it's the sound it makes. Let's take a listen so you can hear what it is. You're going to always keep this near you, and I'm going to put up a list of things that it will help you with preventing future issues. For instance, if your dog is fighting, if they're stealing food, destructive, if there's a loud bark, what you want to do is you want to, take this off again. As soon as they do it, do that. If they stop, that is where you want to reward the behavior. Good dog, here's a treat. Make sure to not leave this in your car, have it around high temperatures or in direct sunlight. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars, over 470 reviews. It's an Amazon choice, which I love to see. And last month, 1,000 plus of the 2-pack were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.